The main event for 2024 is the Mustang Mach-E Rally trim, a variant intended for light off-road duties. The redrawn front end features a set of fog lights and a red tow hook, the trunk lid features a high-mounted spoiler, and the Mach-E's standard tires have been replaced with slightly more aggressive rubber. Ford also expects that by spring 2024, Mach-E owners will be able to start using Tesla's Supercharger network for refills. We think the premium model is the Mach-E to buy. This trim adds some significant luxuries compared to the cheaper Select trim, including several features not available on the more expensive and more powerful California Route 1. Ford says the premium is good for 310 miles of driving range when paired with the extended range battery, and it has rear-wheel drive, but we'd still opt for the all-wheel drive version, which drops its estimated range to 490 miles. The Mustang Mach-E is available with a standard range 70.0 kWh battery or an extended range 91.0 kWh pack. These power a single electric motor on RWD versions of the Select and Premium, or one motor on each axle on AWD versions of all four trims. In the top-of-the-line GT and GT Performance Edition models, which come only with AWD, these engines combine to produce up to 480 horsepower and 634 pound-feet of torque. In our testing, the Mach-E GT Performance accelerated to 60 miles per hour in 3.7 seconds. Less powerful models with rear-wheel drive produce 266 or 290 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque. Trims below the AWD, California Route 1 and GT Duo feature anywhere from 266 to 346 horsepower and 427 or 428 pound-feet. In our last encounter with the Mach-E, a wide-range AWD model, we found it faster and more engaging than most of Ford's rivals. Beyond the various power levels available, we think customers should appreciate the Mach-E's feature set, quiet operation and smooth ride. Range, charging and battery life. Ford switched to a new battery chemistry for some Mach-E trims equipped with the smaller, standard size package in 2023. EPA estimated range figures for the entire lineup range from 224 to 312 miles on a charge, depending on the size of the battery pack and the number of electric motors. While this isn't as impressive as the longest-range Tesla models, it's in line with crossovers from other major manufacturers. Ford says every Mach-E comes with fast charging capability, and the included mobile home charging unit can add up to 30 miles of range per night when plugged into a 120-volt home outlet. Coming only with all-wheel drive, the Mustang Mach-E California Route 1 has the longest EPA estimated range in the series at 312 miles. The mid-level premium model with rear-wheel drive and a large battery follows at 310 miles per hour. The Mach-E GT packs a lot of power. Range drops to 270 miles on a single charge. When you opt for the GT Performance trim and its additional torque, the estimated range drops to 260 miles. The Mustang Mach-E's battery is sandwiched, skateboard style, between the interior floor and the underside of the car, creating perfect space for passengers and cargo. The modernized instrument cluster hosts an attractive digital instrument cluster and is dominated by a large, vertically oriented touchscreen. The pocket under the folding armrest between front seat passengers is large enough to fit a bag. The cargo area behind the rear seats offers 29 cubic feet of cargo room, or up to 60 cubic feet with the rear seats folded. The list of nifty standard and optional features includes customizable interior ambient lighting, heated front seats, a heated steering wheel, wireless charging, a panoramic moonroof, and a front trunk lined with hard plastic that can be used as a cooler before being rinsed and emptied. Ford's next-generation Sync infotainment system uses machine learning to completely personalize each driver's experience. It currently supports 3 driver profiles and 1 guest. The Mustang Mach-E runs software through a vertically mounted 15.5-inch touchscreen that provides easy access to the system's applications and features. A benefit of the system is that Ford offers over-the-air updates over time, constantly improving the system and adding new content. Key features include Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, mobile Wi-Fi hotspot and, depending on equipment, Bang & Olufsen sound system.